Dear students, before starting discussion on lattice vibrations, let's have a definition of lattice first. Lattice is an infinite regular arrangement of points in three dimensions in which every lattice point has identical surroundings. Here you can see lattice points along with bases. Please remember, bases may be a single atom or group of atoms. And when we attach bases to every lattice point identically, then we get a crystal structure. So now we can easily remember the definition of crystal structure, which is nothing but crystal structure equals lattice plus bases. Now, what is a unit cell? A unit cell is the smallest portion of a crystal lattice that shows the three-dimensional pattern of the entire crystal. It means a smallest repeating portion of a crystal lattice is called a unit cell. We have three different types of unit cell: simple cubic, body-centered cubic, and face-centered cubic. Now, in terms of solid chain, we can define now the unit cell like a unit cell is the smallest subset of chain. By repeating, we get the whole solid chain, where you can see there are masses attached to each other by elastic springs. It means atoms are coupled to each other.